together, guys. Look at that bicyclette. Nice one. Diba? Tignan natin yung purple na tulip. Tulip, purple. Wow, sunny. You can see the street, guys. So cute, no? Liit. Cute flower. Let's go walking. Let's go. Hello. Everyone. Dito na ba tayo? Forgot. Nice cloudy. Look at that, guys. Blue na blue. Blue. Ang taas naman yung stair na yan. Diba, guys? Kaya ang kahoy. Yan. Guys, tignan nyo sa floor, sa ground, puno ng bulaklak. Galing po dito sa trees. Ayan, oh. Bulaklak muna bago magbunga, magdahon. Ayan, oh. Nahulog na. Hanggang doon, diba? Green na green. Tignan natin yung mga garden, guys. Oh, daming garden dyan. For sale, guys. Ayan, oh. For sale. It's spring garden, guys. Let's go see. Let's go check. Wow. Look at this, guys. Wow, so nice. Spring garden, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Flowers everywhere. Ito po yung harapan ng metro, guys. Train. And look at that. Ayan, mga ibibitin po yan. May tangkay. May ibibitin po. Kamatis. Ayan. Daisy. Tulip. Right. Violet and red. And ano to? Parang ano to sa atin? Ananat ba yun? Ananat. Gumamela. May bulaklak.
Yes.
Bulaklak. Ito rin. Mahal ito, guys. How much? Oh, $20. $20, guys. Nandito mga mga halaman. Mga upo. Paria, kamatis. Paria. Oh, bilbilunat, sitaw, kamatis. Andito na po mga garden. Sili. Herb. This is a herb. How much is $7? Herb. Ayan ang herb siya. Ito yung look at that flower over there, guys. Yellow and red. Nice. Yan po. For sale. Nasa harap po ng metro train. Sa harap po ng train station. Ito ang walking street, guys, mostly. Renovation. So, pag may dahon na dyan, marami ng ano na dyan, oh. Marami nagtatambay. Kaya papaaraw. Maganda pang panahon ngayon. Ayan po sila nakaupo. Papaaraw. 12:30 ng lunch time, guys. Let's go. Where to? Let's go here. Restaurant, guys. I'm under the train still. I just get out from the tunnel. Bread for sale, guys. Bread for sale. Coco. Look at the tinodok na tinodok. Tinodok. Look at the egg. Kaliit-liit. Magkano na naman yan? Oh. Croissant. Then yummy, nakakagutom. Nice view, guys. Look at all the building. Tallest building in here. Walking. Tallest building in here. That's for his business school, guys. Business school. It's a bird. Let's go see the bird, guys. Bird. Ang dami niyong ipot. Papaaraw kayo, mga bird. Ang dami niyong ipot. Linisin nyo yan. Ang daming restaurant dito, guys. Kasi dito ang pinaka-center ng mga estudyante for college, university, ganon. Ayan, mga restaurant. Thai Express, AW, Mr. Pops, Bicyclette Pathway. This Bicyclette Pathway, guys. Malayo ito hanggang doon sa dulo. Punta doon sa other side. Ayan. for watching, guys. Thank you, thank you. It's a nice weather again. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. God bless us all. Bye-bye.